Hello, today it's the first video and I'm going to share with you my experience about creating a logo for a fashion startup. As you know, my fashion startup is Fight Focus, protective clothes for women fighters. I created my logo in 3 different steps. One, brainstorming and drawing, second one, asking people, and last and third one, using a software. First step, drawing and brainstorming. Begin by writing down all your ideas, like the symbol, the color, the font, the atmosphere, everything. Then, draw this idea. Draw different ideas separately and be sure that the different draw still have the image and the message of the brand. Then, choose your favorites and put them everything together to have a final logo. Don't be lazy and don't be afraid of work. Draw as many logos as possible. To give you an example, I draw like 20 or 25 logos at the beginning. Now you have your 20 different logos. So we can go on the second step. The second step is asking people. You have to know that every symbol or image have a meaning for everyone. Give you an example, the apple. Some people will think about iPhone, iPad, etc. and other people will just think about an apple. That's why it's important to ask people to have different point of view, different advice, and then you can be sure that your logo gives the good message. Finally, the third part, using a software. For my part, I use luca.com. It is a very professional software and it is simple to use it. You have to put all your ID inside the software and then they will propose you different fonts, different colors, different symbols, many different logos, and you just have to choose between the different options. When you have your logos, you just have to edit it again and again as many times as you want. That's how I find my logo for my brand Fight Focus. This is my final logo. I'm proud of it. Thank you for listening and see you next week.